Welcome everyone, it's Miss Gisa. Have you ever been outside and heard some birds chirping or singing a song? Today's story is about some kiddos that are outside and the birds that they encounter and the sounds that they hear. Our story is called Birdsong, and it's written by Audrey Wood, and the drawings are by Robert Florczak. Caw, caw, caw. Swaying on telephone wires, jaunty crows banter at dawn. Missy and Denny awaken to birdsong. For breakfast, Armando and Juan eat tortillas, eggs, and beans. What cheer! What cheer! Wee, wee, wee! Saucy cardinals chatter just beyond their window. Traffic lights change. Taxis race down big city streets. Nearby, there's a little park nestled among the skyscrapers. While Jordan and Ellie play, gentle pigeons splash and make their cooing calls. Coo-a-roo, coo-a-roo, coo-a-roo. In Yoshiko's flowering garden, tiny hummingbirds battle bumblebees, chip-chee-chee, and gather nectar from hibiscus blossoms. Over the hills, down in the valley, Roger and Don begin their morning chores. Bobolink, spink, spank, spink. Chattering bobolinks search for tasty morsels in plowed fields. Dear me, dear me, dear me, swift goldfinches swoop over cornstalks, ripening in the sun. For a secret lunch, Jason's neighborhood friends meet in their treehouse hideaway. Chickadee-dee-dee. Friendly chickadees flutter down to eat walnuts from their hands. Where can the Miller twins go when the sun burns through their t-shirts and their hot feet ache in their laced-up sneakers? Down to cool, moss-banked pond where gawk, gawk, startled herons fly up from water reeds with salamanders dangling from their beaks. The day is long. There's plenty of time for adventure. So Ranto and Navarra paddle down a winding river. Rickety-crick-crick, rickety-crick-crick. Crafty kingfishers dive for insects, tadpoles, and silvery minnows. Up the mountains on wildflower trails, the air is thin and the summer moon shines, pale in a sunny sky. Jim and Lou stop to listen. Keer, keer, keer. Fearless hawks soar high above their heads as they search for prey. Everyone is hungry on the Dalton Ranch. Down in the grassy meadow, plump bobwhites gossip. Bob White, as they bob for juicy berries. Chicky-tucky-tuck. Musical tanagers sing while feeding their fledglings. After snack, Bernard and Francis lie down for a nap. But who can rest in the noisy bayou? Yucca, yucca, yucca. Determined woodpeckers drum on dead tree limbs. Pumper-plunk, pumper-plunk. Suspicious bitterns fuss while hiding in cattails. And busy rails call cack, cack, cack while spearing crawdads. An afternoon shadow stretches like long fingers on the forest floor. Alex chases Andrew. Teacher, teacher, teacher! Bossy ovenbirds scold from low branches. Now the sun is down and the day is done. Whip-poor-will, whip-poor-will. The worried whippoorwill calls Dahlia and Orrin home. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Snug in their cozy beds, Daniel and Bruce are searching for sleep. Ooh, ooh, ooh. A questioning owl hoots from a hollow in her tree. The day ends as it began, with Birdsong. I hope you enjoyed that story. Now, go outside, close your eyes, and listen. Are there any birds that you hear? Do you hear birdsong? Thank you for watching. Remember to support our channel by liking and subscribing.